great satisfaction when you come to realize that I was right about Craig. Because by then it'll be too late to matter.
And now Rick Hawkins has disappeared. But before he did, he sent me this key.
Who's Rick Hawkins? Go! Come on back to bed. Hey. 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 Hey, this is no fun! Hey! The strip croquet game has been canceled because of inclement weather! You! I would be a little dramatic here. Hey, wait a minute. Let me say something, will you? What do you want me to say?
I don't care what you say! I can't believe anything you tell me!
That's not fair. Hey! Everything I told you about it was true, wasn't it? You're not gonna believe him, are you?